This is not your ordinary striker. We're taking it further. This is Tactical One. With innovations in Striker's patented loading and bolt system, AST-1 has been pushed to the next level. No matter internal or external, multiple features have been upgraded. It is packed with all you've come to expect from a Striker. And of course, it is compatible with all AS parts and accessories. AST-1, the next evolution, Amoeba.
What's up, Airsofters? This is the KJW M700 gas-powered sniper rifle. There are a lot of different sniper rifle choices in Airsoft and different propellant systems for each one. Spring represents one of the most affordable, but can be difficult for some people to pull back and doesn't give you a consistent power output. The KJW M700 is a gas-powered sniper rifle. What that means is that they've replaced the semi-traditional spring-powered bolt with a gas cylinder and gas magazine. This gives you a nice consistent FPS with a lot of efficiency and ultimately a really easy to pull back bolt and trigger. This particular model is a takedown model, meaning that it can split in half. Comes as a standard version and as a takedown, both of which feature full metal construction and a nice polymer stock with a really nice rubberized coating on it and a rubberized stock pad as well. The takedown model specifically can be taken down by releasing the lever here, doing a quarter turn and removing the front barrel assembly. This makes it easier for storage and transportation. To reassemble it, simply put the barrel back towards the left-hand side, rotate downwards, and lock it in place. Just like that, it's ready to go. Basic functionality with the KJW M700. Your trigger is here, surrounded by a nice comfortable trigger guard. A functioning safety can be actuated once the bolt has been racked. And the trigger pull is extremely light. Notice you saw how easy it was for me to pull back the bolt as well. It's part of the function of it being a gas-powered sniper rifle. That allows you to get shots downrange much more quickly because you don't have to actuate it through the entire range of the traditional bolt travel as you would with a spring-powered sniper rifle.
What's up, Airsofters? Welcome to Lancer Tactical TV. I'm David and this is the Lancer Tactical M24 Spring Sniper Rifle. Now, as many of you guys know, we just gave away one of these sniper rifles, but we don't have an overview of this gun yet. So today I wanted to talk about this awesome entry-level sniper rifle. When I first saw the M24, I was very surprised to see a metal sniper rifle for this price. The outer barrel, the bolt, the trigger, the firing assembly, the receiver, the outer accessories, it's all metal. The only thing that's polymer on this gun is this thick polymer stock. The M24 comes in black or tan, and with or without a full metal bipod with extendable legs. The M24 comes with a rail right above the bolt for the addition of your scope. Adjust the positioning of these two clamps on your scope to get it to fit correctly on your rail. To fire the M24, just draw back this bolt to charge the spring. The safety on this gun is located behind the bolt and to the right. Alright, now this plate here is a mock receiver. On the real firearm, this is where the rounds would enter the chamber. However, this being an airsoft gun, the spring and the cylinder take up room inside the bolt. So, you will find that the airsoft magazine is farther forward. The M24 uses a 28-round magazine that fits in most soft shell pistol mag pouches. The hop-up adjustment is very easy to access. It's here to the left side of the outer barrel. Now, to get optimum performance out of this airsoft gun, I would use a heavyweight BB like a .3. And as always, whenever you're changing your BB weight, readjust your hop-up and re-zero your scope. Continuing on with the externals, you'll find metal sling attachment points at the front and the rear of the stock. You'll also find this wheel that can be used to adjust your stock length. Just rotate this wheel to adjust the stock in and out until it's correct for the length of your arms. Internally, the M24 is a solid performer, and there's a good range of upgrade parts on the market for M24 style airsoft rifles. With an FPS of 430 and an inner barrel that runs right to the tip of the outer barrel, this airsoft sniper will be accurate at a range right out of the box. Let's Chrono! So guys, I have to say, this is a great entry-level sniper rifle. For just over $100, you're getting a full metal spring sniper rifle with good access to upgrades. So if you guys are just thinking about trying out some sniping, or if you're looking for your base to start upgrading from, definitely check out the Lancer Tactical M24 Spring Sniper Rifle.